grilled corn in a mushroom tart. Hey, what's going on, Rachel? It's Richard Blais out here at the cottage in Southern California. I'm grilling vegetables today, which get very, very challenging for a lot of people. They are one of the more difficult things to cook on a grill, so we're gonna get right into it. Here's how I like to set it up. Inside the grill, I just have a couple of chunks of hardwood. Some cherry wood is in there right now. And if you look in my grill, the fire was started about 30 minutes ago. I have it's a little bit hotter on one side and not as hot on the other. And you wanna have that sort of temperature control on your grill. Even if it's not a wood burning grill, you know, you got the electric grill, turn one side up really, really hot, have one side that's lower cooking temperature. I'm gonna throw some corn on there. It's gonna be a corn salad with this dish. So I just got a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit of olive oil so that the corn doesn't stick to the grill. And I'm just gonna pop that on the grill as well. Super, super simple. I like char, I don't like burnt. And now I'm gonna pick up a piece of corn off the grill that we've already cooked a little bit, all right? And this is how I like my corn to look. Just a little bit of char on it. We haven't popped all of the kernels. They just cooked. Rachel, if I was on set with you, you'd have a bowl right there. I know you would, but you're not here right now. And I'm out here by myself in the cottage making a grilled corn salad. Okay, so there we go. We're gonna season this now with some of my favorite flavors. We got a little sour cream in here, a little bit of jalapeno, some scallion, green onion, a little bit of cilantro, not all of it, just a little bit. And then we're gonna add all of our corn to this sour cream. It's a little hot. If you wanted to do this on the cob as well, you can just put all of these seasonings over the corn cob and eat it right off the cob. But I like doing it as a salad. You have a little bit of a portobello mushroom that just came off the grill, marinated a little olive oil, a little balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna check back on the zucchini. Very, very hot. It's gonna give that a flip, and you can see now it's getting nice and charred. And again, the great thing about zucchini and corn, they only take like a minute or two to cook, all right? I add a little bit of cotija cheese to the corn salad. That's gonna give it that umami and that nice salty flavor. If you don't have cotija, you can use feta, you can use salted ricotta as well. All right, so I'm gonna just pop our little corn salad into our mushroom, a little bit of lime in there, a little bit of chili flake, and that is our corn salad in a portobello tart.